in this tutorial I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to clear the media cache in Adobe Premiere Pro. So in the project you go up to Edit, then down to Preferences, and then along and down to Media Cache. You wait for that to open and just pull it into the center here, and here you have the media cache information, and to clear it you just click delete. Delete unused media cache files, then you simply click OK, and then it's done, they're gone. So why would you clear the media cache? Well, if you're editing all of the time and you're not regularly clearing the cache, it will build and build and build. And you see here, media cache management automatically delete caches older than 90 days or when it exceeds 100 gig. So I've often been editing, forgotten to do it, why would you even remember? Then when you do it, suddenly I've freed up 40, 50 gig on my hard drives. So this is a great solution if you're editing away and you can't explain why the file sizes on your hard drives are getting bigger and bigger, but you're not adding footage to them. And even if you look here, regular cleaning of old or unused media cache files can help maintain optimal performance. So it is really important to keep on top of this, and it just feels good to clear a load of things away, and then you look and see your C drive has much more space than it had before. There is one other thing I can show you. When we went to delete, you'd see here, delete all media cache files from the system is grayed out. You can't access that setting whilst within a project. So what I mean by that is we need to go File and Exit. Close down Premiere Pro completely. Then open up Premiere Pro again. Let it do its thing. You can hear a banging in the background. It's my 1-year-old son. He's banging a wooden spoon. Okay, so now we've got this screen, which is, we've opened a single project at all. So then we go again, Edit, Preferences, Media Cache, wait for that to open. Now we click delete again, and this time there's a second option, delete all media cache files from the system. So if you're a professional editor or someone that's just doing lots of editing, you've got footage and projects on different hard drives, you're moving, you're working remotely, you're working at the client's office, etc, etc. Those cache files are going to be spread in all different locations outside of where you've specified the media cache to be, which you can choose the location there. So if that's the case and you still got cache files you need to get rid of, you go to delete, you delete all media cache files from the system, hit OK, let it do its thing, and it's done. Now all of your cache files are completely deleted. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, do not hesitate to get in touch, and thank you very much.